Okay guys, so I think this vlog is gonna be like a full-on vlog, especially for tomorrow. This is my TLC Tufty Club bottle. This is the instant TLC IOCT that I'm using, the instant IOCT that I just add water. That's the original. This is the lemon. And this is the raspberry. So I'm doing 3 flavors tonight in this thing of water. I'm going to shake it up, then have it sit for a minute and then drink. The reason why I'm having it sit for a minute or 2 is because it dissolves better. When I make it and just drink it, excuse me, it doesn't dissolve right away. So yeah, I kind of want to talk to you a little bit about me, me and just like, the thing is, I want my journey to be really authentic to you guys and with you guys. I want you guys to see when I'm at my worst and when I'm feeling, you know, more depressed than usual. And I want you guys to see when I'm just getting dressed and just doing me. I don't know. You see, when I share with you guys that I don't have certain things, I feel like I'm being judged heavily. Like, I'm big enough for things that I'm not. I know a lot of us are starting over based on my posts. You guys can understand that. And I want to show my authenticity. For the Fix Your Crown Sis group, I want to be able to help all the girls, but I don't know how I can. Girls who need help with like jobs and financial support, I don't know how I can do that. If you guys are savvy, let me know. I want to be able to write to companies for the initiative, for us to get funding, for us to get stuff for women who need help, for them to get an apartment or a job or something. Christmas is coming up, and this season is the most depressing for those of us who have lost loved ones, for those of us who are going through a separation, divorce, anxiety, mental health, whatever it is. I'm not recognizing how difficult this time of year is. Same thing goes for Valentine's Day and even on your birthday. My my birthday is coming up, and I'm not making a big deal of it because I don't want anybody to do anything for my birthday. I just want the day to just hurry and go by. I want to be alone on that day. I just want to go somewhere, even if it's just like for, say, let's say I go to the hotel the morning, I come back up the following day, which would be like probably on my birthday or the day of my birthday. I don't know, but it's going to be hard. And I'd love to be around the boys, but it's like I don't like when they're around me when I have my mood swings, and I don't know when my mood swings going to come on, you know. So yeah, that's just what I'm going through now, like mentally, like how the hell am I going to do this? I have everything. I'm redoing everything. The belts are going to be sold out probably this week, which will be good for me. Yeah, and what else? I'm going to start back doing makeup. The thing, instant tea. I'm going to start back doing makeup. And my prices are going to drop significantly because I'm going to be eating up all the makeup work out there for 2021. I'm going to start making wigs for 2021. My music is coming full circle for 2021. Don't be surprised when you see a couple of videos out there for me music wise and stuff like that. A lot of things are going to be happening, things that I can't even say because you know how imps work and how people try to block you and stuff. Granted, one fear can't unfear, but when you ring the alarm too soon, it delays. It doesn't stop you, but it delays, and I'm in no mood for delays for 2021. I mean, 2020 has already been this year of vision, eye-opening, seeing people for what and who they are. So moving forward is just sneeze. Yeah, so yeah, and I am gonna be getting some stuff done, so you can believe me or not or whatever, but this video is gonna be hella clickbaity. So yeah, what else? Yeah, I want to thank those of you who have been supporting me by watching my videos and stuff. And I also want to thank those of you who are, y'all just want to see women win, not just me, but just women in general. I won't lie, I'm nervous about what life has to offer. You know, especially like having the boys. I am nervous. But I was walking today and I recognized that everything I do is for them. Everything I do is for my boys. I love them so much and everything I'm doing is for them. You know, I go so hard because of them, and I don't want to become that parent where I'm working so much that I forget my job. That's why I can't wait to get my car, so that whenever I have anything to do, my boys can be there. You know what I mean? I did do over my Amazon wish list. So you'd have to reach out to me directly to get it. I won't be posting it underneath anymore because I mean, niggas keep playing with me. So my TLC link, I'm going to leave that in the description bar below as well. And just thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers. And for those of us who are battling, yo, this shit has to get better, yeah? It has to. We have to come out the other side winners, victors. We have to, in this moment, still have that mindset of I'm a winner, I'm a victor. Grandma said something to me. She said, "You have no money." I said, "No, you know." She said, "Oh, you're broke." I said, "Mama, never broke. Me I'm broke now in the same sentence. Me say not even glass broke round. When they drop it, this combobulates. It don't break. Broke is not, I don't associate with it. You see me? And because of how I look and because of my drive, people assume that I'm this wealthy ass person, and I don't mind. I don't mind that assumption, because that assumption will sooner than later be my reality. Starting over with where I am now and what I have now is nothing but God. It has to be God. It just has to be God. Being in the community that I'm living in now, and what I'm looking to get, it just has to be God. And I know that video I made about fixing your crowns is the very first one, and I told you guys that I'm separated. It came off as if I don't talk to him. I still don't talk to him as often, but I talk to him more than what I used to in that last video. I still do my devotions. I don't stop my devotions. I still do them. Even if it's just ritualistic, it's seeping in somewhere, because they're words, and words are life. Words that is like it lives, it breathes. So because of that, I still listen to my devotional every single day. You know, the decisions I'm making now are conscious decisions that I want to make for me, and I'm not being led by anybody's outlook of me. You get what I'm saying? Like, there are things that I don't have a problem with. I don't mind doing that. It's gonna offend people, but I can't continue to think about, crap, who am I offending? Who am I offending? Who am I offending? You know what I mean? So, and a part of that too, and this may sound stupid, but it's a part of how I'm healing as well. Like, me expressing myself, the songs that are gonna come from me, Christians may not want to listen to them, and that's fine. But that's just where I am now. You guys, your support means so much to me. And this video is going to go up as is, because like 8 minutes. And I just want to talk to you. So if you have not yet purchased anything from TLC, please do so, because I have a quota I have to hit every single week for TLC, a personal drive of mine. The belts are currently on sale, but the sale is only for Jamaica, because I have to hit a certain amount. So if it's abroad, it's just for Jamaica. I don't know how else I can explain that. I'll be shipping tomorrow and Wednesday, and so I ship every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or deliver every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll leave the information in the description for you guys. And thank you. For my YouTube money, there's an email that I got when I called a number, and I got an email. So I have to, yeah guys, sorry the video got cut off. I believe I got a phone call and I haven't been able to record since, because I've been delivering belts all week this week. This weekend I won't be able to deliver any belts until next week, probably Wednesday. The sale for my belts will continue until the 5th of December, but right now TLC is having BOGO, buy one, listen, BOGO. I recommend the Alleviate and of course the Delgada. My link is in the description box for TLC. You can go ahead and click to purchase, and I'm asking you to share your link, my link rather, with like your friends and your family members as well. If they want to purchase TLC, go ahead and support your girl. For each product that you buy, I make $20. For each kit that you buy, I make $20. Also, if you want to join my TLC team, you can click the link in my description box to do so as well. You guys smash that link, bro. Get your buy one get one, girl.